To get started with Jenkins and build your CI/CD pipeline, you will need to consider installation options, hardware requirements, and software dependencies. The hardware required for your Jenkins server will depend on the complexity of your CI/CD pipeline and the number of jobs you plan to run concurrently. At bare minimum, you need to have at least 2 CPU cores, 256 megabytes of RAM, and at least 1 gigabyte of disk space. And the recommended hardware for smaller teams is to have at least 4 CPU cores, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and at least 50 gigabytes of disk space. Talking about the software requirements, Jenkins relies on the Java virtual machine to run. So to ensure smooth operations, you will need either the Java Development Kit, JDK, or the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, installed on your servers. JRE is the basic option for running Jenkins itself, while JRE is sufficient, but the JDK provides additional tools for troubleshooting and developing custom Jenkins plugins. This makes it the preferred choice for production environments. And finally, a web browser is all you need to interact with and manage your Jenkins instance once it's up and running. Jenkins offers several ways to get up and running, catering to different preferences and environments. You can install Jenkins in various ways, including the generic Java package, operating system specific packages. So let's go through a few of them. Jenkins can be started on any operating system or platform with a version of Java supported by Jenkins by downloading and running the jenkins.war file. Talking about the OS-specific packages, Jenkins provides native packages for various operating systems like Windows, macOS, and various Linux distributions such as Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, etc. These packages handle dependencies and offer a more integrated system experience. For Windows and macOS, Jenkins provides a user-friendly graphical installer, which is a quick and intuitive way for setting up Jenkins, especially for those not comfortable with command line installations. Cloud templates can be utilized on cloud services such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. Many of them provide Jenkins as a managed service. This enables the rapid setup and administration of Jenkins instances on their cloud platforms. Pre-designed templates are available for deploying Jenkins, which are often preloaded with configurations that adhere to the industry best practices. Finally, Jenkins also provides official Docker images. This is a great way to run Jenkins in a containerized environment, and it's especially useful for creating reproducible build environments. Remember, the best installation method depends on your specific needs and environment. Post Jenkins installation, where do we access its file system? The location of the Jenkins home varies depending on the installation method and the operating system. If you are running Jenkins from a .war file, Jenkins home defaults to the .jenkins directory within the home directory of the user running Jenkins. And if you have installed Jenkins using system packages on Linux, the Jenkins home is usually set to /var/lib/Jenkins directory. The Jenkins home directory is a crucial part of a Jenkins setup, which is where Jenkins stores all its data and configurations. This includes jobs, plugins, configurations, build logs, artifact archives, and other metadata related to the Jenkins server. You can also customize the location of the Jenkins home by setting the Jenkins home environment variable to your preferred directory path. Remember, it's important to regularly back up the Jenkins home because it contains all the data and settings for your Jenkins server. If this directory is lost, you would lose your entire Jenkins setup. In the upcoming sessions, we will also talk about how to back up the Jenkins directory and what files are mandatory. That's all for now. Thank you.